This is how you create a striking and original decoration that immediately catches the eye and gives any interior a unique character. Start by placing carrots in a vase to create a stable and decorative base. Arrange them carefully around the entire vase. The carrots don't need to be the same length. They will give the space around the vase a creative and aesthetically pleasing look. Next, fill the vase with water. Now move on to the flowers. Prepare a beautiful bouquet of tulips, taking proper care of them. First, trim the stems at a 45-degree angle to increase water absorption and ensure the flowers stay fresh longer. Take a wooden skewer and gently insert it under each flower to the right depth to remove air bubbles that block water. This will help the tulips stand upright and stay fresh for many days, which is a very important trick. Then, carefully place the tulips in the vase, distributing them evenly around the carrots to create a harmonious, full composition that impresses with its volume and colors. The final effect is a beautiful decoration, perfect for a table, decorating a living room, or giving as a unique handmade bouquet. This arrangement maintains the freshness and natural charm of the flowers for many days, and everyone who sees it will appreciate the careful craftsmanship and its exceptional look. You've never seen a decoration like this before. Surprise your friends with it. Start by preparing the tulips. Break the stem of each tulip near the bottom, just above the leaf. This is a key step to create a unique effect. Roll the stem and leaf into a spiral, just like I show in the video. Secure it with a pin to keep the shape. This way, the stem will look like a flower itself. Now prepare a floral foam block. Place it in a bucket of water and let it soak. Meanwhile, get a decorative bowl that will serve as the base. Once the foam is soaked, put it into the bowl. Add some decorative artificial moss around the bowl to give the arrangement a natural look. Now insert the prepared tulip stems around the edge, creating a frame. Stick each tulip into the floral foam, arranging them into a dense, full bouquet. Your unique decoration is ready. This arrangement will add style and freshness to your space, and it's very easy to make. You must try it. These fertilizers will help you enjoy lush, blooming pansies. Pansies are wonderful flowers that require proper care. Today, I'll show you 2 easy-to-make fertilizers. The first is a coffee grounds fertilizer. Coffee grounds not only enrich the soil with necessary nutrients, but also improve its structure and prevent drying out. Just add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds to a container, pour in a liter of water, stir, and let it sit for an hour. Then, pour a cup into the pot. Use this fertilizer every 2 weeks. The second fertilizer is a yeast mixture. Dissolve 10 grams of yeast in a liter of lukewarm water. Yeast supports plant growth, especially for those that need large amounts of nutrients. Let the mixture sit for an hour, then pour a cup into the pot. Use this fertilizer every 2 weeks as well to keep your pansies healthy and blooming abundantly. Regular use of both fertilizers will improve the plant's condition and provide the right growing conditions. You'll definitely be pleased with the results. I follow these tips, and my vase flowers last an entire month. Start by placing 1 aspirin tablet in a bowl and crushing it into a fine powder using something heavy. Add half a teaspoon of sugar. Next, prepare a small splash of high-proof alcohol. Just a thimbleful is enough. Add a bit of hydrogen peroxide, and for an extra boost, a drop of dish soap. Mix everything well and pour it into a vase filled with cold water. That's where the flowers go. Before putting the flowers in a clean, properly disinfected vase, trim the ends of the stems. Use sharp scissors or garden shears to avoid damaging the plant. Make the cuts at a slight angle. This helps tulips absorb water more easily. If any flowers start to droop, take a wooden toothpick and gently pierce the stem. Why? Sometimes air bubbles form inside the stem and block water uptake. The toothpick creates a small hole to release the trapped air, helping tulips stay firm and hydrated. Remove the leaves, then make 2 or 3 small cuts in the stems. Gently curl each tulip into a circle and place it in the vase. Add a few more flowers to build a full bouquet. For a beautiful final touch, place small candles between the tulips, light them, and you're done. These fertilizers will make your anthurium bloom beautifully. Anthurium is a stunning plant with distinctive, glossy flowers that thrives with proper care. Today, I'll show you 2 simple fertilizers you need to try. The first is a coffee grounds fertilizer. Coffee grounds not only provide essential nutrients but also improve soil structure and help retain moisture. Add 2 tablespoons of used coffee grounds to a container, then pour in 1 liter of water. Stir well and let it sit for an hour. Pour 1 cup of the mixture into the pot. Use this fertilizer every 2 weeks. The second fertilizer is a yeast mixture. Dissolve 10 grams of yeast in 1 liter of lukewarm water. Yeast is an excellent fertilizer that supports plant growth, especially for those needing a good supply of nutrients. Let the mixture sit for an hour, then pour 1 cup into the pot. Use this fertilizer every 2 weeks as well to keep your anthurium healthy and blooming. Regular use of both fertilizers will significantly improve your plant's condition, giving it the best environment to grow and flower. You'll be amazed by the results. An organic fertilizer that will make your plants burst into bloom. Ever since I started using it, my neighbors can't stop admiring the results. Grab a large glass jar and a few bananas. Peel the fruit, but don't throw away the skins. That's where the magic is. Banana peels are rich in potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. Drop 2 whole peels into the jar. Cut the third peel into smaller pieces to help it release nutrients faster, and add that too. Fill the jar with cold filtered water. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. It boosts beneficial microorganisms and speeds up decomposition, making nutrients more accessible to plants. Pour in a bit of vinegar to help balance the pH. Stir well, seal the jar, and let it sit overnight. Nature will do the rest. After 24 hours, your fertilizer is ready. Use this natural elixir once a week. Your plants will be so full of flowers, they'll practically bow under the weight. All thanks to this one simple mixture. Make a pink elixir for your plants. They'll be bushier than ever. Start by preparing a tall glass container. The key ingredient for this fertilizer is potassium permanganate, a substance with strong antiseptic and oxidizing properties. Add a small amount to the container, then pour in water and mix well. Next, take a lemon and cut it in half. Lemon is a natural pH regulator that helps plants absorb nutrients. In another container, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This amazing ingredient helps neutralize excessive soil acidity and improve soil structure. Squeeze half the lemon into the container with the baking soda. Now, take the pink potassium permanganate solution and pour most of it into the container with the baking soda and lemon to achieve the right concentration. Then strain the fertilizer through a sieve to prevent lemon seeds from getting into the solution. Your pink elixir is ready. Use it once every 3 or 4 weeks, watering the plants at the base. With this natural fertilizer, your plants will become stronger, healthier, and more resistant to diseases. Try this method and see the spectacular results.